In this video, I'm going to show you how to zero out an account in QuickBooks Desktop. So to do this, there's actually two ways. The first one is by creating a journal entry. So this is going to be best for equity, liability, or asset accounts. Now go to Company up top, and then from here you want to click on Make General Journal Entries. And then here you want to, of course, set the date to the last day of the period you are clearing. So I'm going to click on here. There we go. The date, I'm going to leave it like that because this is just going to be an example. And then on the first line, you have to select the account you want to zero out. So I'm going to click the drop down and I'm just going to use this land one over here. Now what you want to do here, if the account has a positive or a debit balance, you must credit it, or if it has a negative credit balance, you must debit it, okay? So I'm just going to go, for example, and I'm going to debit it over here, and I'm going to say there's 1,000. Let's just pretend like that. And then over here in the second line, you want to select the offset account. I'm going to do a random one yet again. For example, I don't know, this one. And then over here, it's going to automatically fill in the opposite column to balance the entry, okay? Now, whenever you do that, you can simply click on Save and Close, and there we go. You're basically done, okay? Just make sure the number is actually correct. I gave this as an example. Then the second method is going to be to actually transfer funds. Now, this one is going to be best for bank or credit card accounts. You can go to Banking up top, and then from here, you can click on Transfer Funds. Now it's going to open up a separate tab, and it's going to say here you can of course put in different dates, classes, stuff like that. So in the transfer of funds from drop down, so this one over here, you have to choose the account you want to zero out. So again, let's do land over here, and then it's going to tell you the account balance, which is right now over here. And then in the transfer funds to drop down, you want to select where you want to transfer. So I'm going to do, let's just do vehicles over here, and then it's going to tell you the account balance over there as well. Now these are just some demos over here, as I said, and then you have to enter the exact transfer amount needed to make balance 0, which in my case is this one over here. So I'd have to type in 91,000 just like this, and then of course you can do a memo as well if you wanna. Click on Save and Close, and that's essentially all you have to do. And of course, don't forget to enter the correct date. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.